Following video is sponsored by Black Taylor. Ever since I first tried these cargos on and incorporated them into my outfit rotation, it's been a wrap. Definitely a go-to in my closet, for real. With all styles and fits, you definitely can't go wrong choosing these cargos. And it don't stop there. They got the jackets, the shorts, the hoodies, you name it. And don't forget, use my discount code WAVY80, save 10% off your purchase. Ow.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. The bright lights. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Right, do me a favor, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it, thank you. And before we get into this vid, gotta give a shout out to my sponsor, Into the AM. You already use my discount code WAVY80 and save, or you can use my discount link in the video description below and you'll save the same thing. And it'll probably be a little easier, no typing involved. I got on the basic tee right here. Favorite for the warm weather, for real. Very comfortable and all that. Check them out. They got graphic tees, joggers, and even polos now. You name it! All of the above. Yeah, so you already know what this vid is. Picked up the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse. These are actually set to drop on, when? Oh yeah, the 20th, matter of fact. I actually hit, well, my homeboy, shout out to Twin, actually hit for me on the shock drop, and I'm getting them in now, you know what I'm saying? Me, late to the party, but when it comes to the on foot, no one can do it better like this. My slot is solidified, or it's there.
Right.
Retail on these will be $200. I actually got that military discount, you know what I'm saying?
It's like butter, baby.
Yeah, so let's get into it. Boom. This box right here, regular box. This is size 10. Air Jordan 1 Retro High, University Red, Black. Yeah, that's dottery.
Now you know Master don't hold with that.
The reason they're not covered is because I ripped most of the paper anyway, but I took them out to the park and got some good B-roll. See with the lights hit, you can see cues of those geometrical shapes. If I forget, these shapes are to represent him going through the Spider-Verse. Nah, that Miles Morales. On first looks, these are not like his predecessor at all. Hey Siri, what does predecessor mean?
Predecessor means you are dumb as hell.
I'm a fan of the first pair, but Spider-Man, Jordan 1, I'm with it. We'll figure out a fit to bang with it. Definitely nice for the summer. Definitely turn some heads. You step up in the spot. I don't give a damn what you tell me. I'm not gonna regret or sell these later on for the low. No, we're not doing any of that. But no, like I said, our first looks clean, nice cut. I'm a fan of the toe box, but we'll get into it while I talk about these joints. So first thing we can get into is the sole. Got your patented Jordan sole. It's translucent, reddish colorway. Nike letter in the swoosh right there. Boom, stars at the top that do what? These better not. You know what I'm saying? I ain't, nah, they better not. But yeah, one thing about the sole. I saw something on IG, and then first thing I did when I got them out the box, I put them up to the light and then turned off the joint. I'm like, hell yeah, that's what's up. We're gonna take it to the medial side. The medial side, you see hits of that sole right there. The midsole is kind of like an off-white, and just because of that, I'm gonna talk about something else. Yeah, it's kind of like off-white because you can tell it differs from the mid panel, even though you know I'm colorblind, but whatever. So the upper is broken down into a couple parts. This is like a red leather upper right here. This part right here is patent leather. This part's leather. Up here where the laces go, let's just call it the worn leather. Up here is leather as well. It's just more of pinkish, and you got the polka dots. Right here, you got that worn leather again. Got your white leather panel right here. Then on top of that, black luminous Nike swoosh. The collar, and right here also has that same color scheme going on. Got this section up here that's got those circles or whatever the shapes that represent him going through the multiverse. You also got a patent leather color blocking right here too. Lateral side, same as the medial side as far as the sole goes. Well, as far as the whole color scheme goes, as a matter of fact, boom, you got hits to that sole right there. You got that off-white colored midsole. Same type of joints that I talked about on the other side. I'm not trying to trip myself up, you know what I'm saying? A lot of color schemes going on. I love how that mid panel is a different white from the midsole. That's pretty dope. Black luminous Nike swoosh right here. You got that luminous section right here and right here up by the collar. You got your patented Air Jordan wings right there. Half you got the red polka dots, and the other half you got those circles. Spider-Verse type joints. I'm about to say metaverse. Red right here, geometrical shapes right there again. Patent leather red right here. Let's say worn leather right there. So right here, you got one of them bucks, you know what I'm saying?
Say it to my face.
The mud guard right here is red. Clean too. White toe box, perforated holes. One thing I can say though, I ain't gonna say A1 because I've seen better, but they definitely gave us something, you know what I'm saying, for that $200. Anyway, boom, black laces right there that I always forget about. The tongue is also like an off-white going all the way up. You see the white and red Nike tab. You got Nike Air lettering and the swoosh in white. Speaking of the laces, I was gonna do a lace swap. I was really looking to do do that joint, I was gonna throw the and I think I still might. I was gonna throw these off-white laces up in the joint. Only reason I don't is because they're not as long as the, pause if you have to, as the original black joints, and I ain't about to have them like end up just like right here, something like that. Nah, I still want to take it to the inside of these joints. Will he do it? Will he? Nah, it's this one section in there that's a little, you know, just stuck. So what we're gonna do is,
You got your black insole.
like here, lettering in the swoosh in like a dark red. Take it to the back.
Pause.
You see it's that red sole right there. Off-white midsole. Worn aged leather right there. White tab right there. Black Nike swoosh. Breaking up the heel and the Achilles. Got that white section right here. In the back, you got those geometrical shapes again. Got all those colors going through. You got like a yellow, real light blue, and then you see the back, the patent leather. Got that color prism going on right there. The shit we learned in elementary school. Yeah, so if I missed anything, my bad. Every pair of pants that you see on this on foot, yeah, is gonna be from Black Taylor. You can use my discount code WAVY80 and save 10% off your purchase. I even got it in the video description below, so you can save. About to get into this top 5 best on foot. Y'all ready? Let me know. Did y'all cop or y'all going after them? Is it a pass? Heard a lot of people passing, which I was like, damn, I still couldn't get my pair. Everybody passed. But no, I'm definitely glad I got these joints. I'm not into the comics or nothing like that. I said that before, but yo, Spider-Man dope. I always check his joints out. Now, I didn't watch the Miles Morales. I usually try to when I get on the plane or something like that, but then I end up like, you know what I'm saying.
What are you really saying? Hey?
One thing that I'm gonna say that I am surprised about with these joints was they didn't give you any other options on the laces. They didn't give you a red lace, like a blue lace, a red with a blue tip, blue with a red tip, also if you have to on the tips, but yeah, they ain't do none of that. I'm kind of surprised, so yeah, that's something I would have definitely changed. I wish they would have came with a selection. But anyway, I'm gonna give a shout out to the Wave Mob, shout out to everybody that's been rocking me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be.
Come on. Ah, damn. You still did.
That's snubbed. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel. I'm gonna throw at your beach, like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. Stand up. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys.
100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. On top of the world, that's what I'm feeling like. On top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, Bizu. Keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Homie P Dice with the man. They look outside and now scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite, grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. Dice rolling, look how my ice frozen. She fried my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. been where I'm at right here. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You a exquisite grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all can bleed. Nigga, they all can bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it off for me. She licking it off for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shakalaka, then I move along. Coolin' out when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool.
Hey, no, I get paid to do this shit.
And everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy.